You're the king of this workshop, but threads can be your arch nemesis. We've all been there. Thread trouble's getting in the way of greatness. The Identibolt Thread Checker, your new trusty sidekick. CNC machined from 6061 aluminum and 304 stainless for ultimate precision and corrosion resistance, cracking the thread code has never been easier. Save time, avoid thread-induced rage, and build like a boss. Thread conquered, project domination. Get your Identibolt Thread Checker today and use the discount code on screen to save 20%.